Well, greetings all you wonderful people. Time to get a little bit controversial. This is from Krishna.org. Chant and be happy. Solar eclipses are not caused by the moon. Yeah, you heard me right. According to Vedic astronomy, the most ancient and accurate system of astronomy on the planet, solar eclipses are not caused by the moon coming in front of the sun, as astronomers believe. Rather, the moon is described as being further away than the sun, and what happens at the time of a solar eclipse is the moon goes behind the sun, and a dark planet called Rahu comes between the sun and the earth. Of course, because we have been conditioned to believe as fact the structure of the universe as it has been taught to us since childhood, we find it very difficult to accept such a thing. It's called thinking outside the box, you guys, okay? More people have to think outside the box. Okay, so, of course, because we have been conditioned to believe as fact the structure of the universe as it has been taught to us since childhood, we find it very difficult to accept such a thing. But it only requires a little thought. That's right. To see that actually the modern scientific data is incompatible with our observations, and the timeless Vedic knowledge is compatible with our observations. Look at the moon on a full moon night. It is shining so brightly that it lights up the whole surface of the earth. On a full moon night, you can clearly see everything. Of course, it is not as bright as the sunshine, but everything is very clearly visible. And if you were to view the earth from space on a full moon night, it would not be dark. It would be illuminated by the moonshine, and all the features of the earth would be clearly visible. As there is moonshine, there must also be earth shine. Much of the earth is covered by water, which is a good reflector of sunlight. In fact, the scientists say earth shine is much brighter than moonshine. And according to our understanding, the earth is enormous in comparison to the size of the moon. So, if the moonshine can completely illuminate this earth on a full moon night, then the earth shine can completely illuminate the moon. Common sense. The earth shine bombarding the moon at the time of a solar eclipse would be at almost 50 times brighter than the moonshine on earth on a full moon night. If Western astronomers are correct, the solar eclipse would be the perfect time to see the moon illuminated by earthshine. The shadow created which causes the solar eclipse on Earth is, according to Never a Straight Answer, at most 167 miles wide. So if you were sitting on the moon during a solar eclipse, you would see an extremely bright Earth planet with a dark circle of only 167 miles wide. This is not enough to diminish the Earth shine in any significant way. So even though the sun is behind the moon, the full force of the sunshine is hitting the Earth and reflecting off those shiny blue oceans and reflecting off the land also. So the moon is completely illuminated by earthshine, even though the sun is directly behind it. Now, if Western astronomers were correct, if you were in that 167-mile wide path of the total eclipse of the sun, when the sun was completely covered, you would, of course, see the sky become black, and then you could see the stars. But if the sun was covered by the moon, you would be able to see the moon quite clearly in front of the sun, illuminated by earth shine. Of course, it would not be as bright as the full moon, but the earth's shine would certainly illuminate the surface of the moon so that we could clearly see it and clearly make out the features on the moon's surface. But this does not happen. During a solar eclipse, the sun goes completely black, and even though the sunlight is blocked out and the sky goes black, one cannot detect the moon at all. It's just black, no moon. Of course, we should be able to see the features on the moon as it is being bathed in brilliant earth shine. In other words, we would be able to see the moon. Okay? We would be able to see the moon in front of the sun. That's what they're saying. Alright? But no, we just see black. We see black. So, with the sun behind it, the sunshine and the earth shine, we would clearly see the moon during a solar eclipse. Basic logic. Alright, so where was I? The sun should disappear and we should see the stars, and in the place of the sun we should see the moon, illuminated by the earthshine, but we don't see this. So what does that mean? It means it is not the moon causing the solar eclipses. We know from the Vedas that what causes solar eclipses is a dark planet, currently unknown in the Western world, which hides in the shadow of the moon. Rahu is relatively close to us, around about the same distance as we think the moon is, but it is completely black. Makes sense now. You got black Rahu covering up the sun, no earth shine. Ta-da! There's your black solar eclipse. Because it is a black planet, none of that light will be reflected back, so we will see the sun simply blacked out in the sky on a full eclipse, which is what we do see. So this is absolute proof that the assumption of Western astronomers that solar eclipses are caused by the moon coming between the earth and the sun is wrong. Because if that was the case, we would be able to see the moon, just like I said. We would be able to see the moon during the full eclipse of the sun, as it would be bathed in bright earth shine. Alright, everybody. Hopefully this clears things up out there. And again, thank you for watching. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and enjoy the eclipse coming tomorrow morning. Alright. Peace out, everybody. And thanks for watching.